which are the states from where we have today the audience? You have from Rajasthan, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh? No. Okay. Haryana, J&K. I can see a hand there. Jharkhand. Wow. West Bengal, Assam, any of the northeast, Sikkim, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Arunachal. How many from Maharashtra? Karnataka. Yes, Bihar.
To the ball, to the ball, to the ball.